Hello there, this is Doc Mountain and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can accomplish mission C on OEX. So what you do is you open OEX app, which is on your phone. Okay, beautiful. So when you get here, what you do is you click sign in, then you punch in your password. Thereafter, you click done. Okay, so now when you're in, what you need to do is you click in the top right corner and then you click call mainnet. Okay, so what you need to do now is you click com, then you click swap. Okay, so for those of you who have call, okay, so like here I have 0.0023. What you do is you tap, did you see where I tapped? You click on the alpha icon here in the box which is at the bottom. So that you check out those are the wallets which are available. So since we want to swap to com, you click com and then you type in what you need to actually swap. On top there, that's 0.001. Okay, beautiful. So after you've done that, you can now click swap. After you're done, you can now get back to missions. You click missions and then you click mission C, and then you need to submit here. As simple as that.